Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use gems in Gemini AI to save time. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first, what are gems? So gems are custom AI presets. You tell Gemini how you want it to behave and it remembers that style for future chats. For example, you can go ahead and have a gem that writes a YouTube description, a gem that summarizes long articles, a gem that explains things step by step, a gem that writes emails in a professional tone. So these are the examples what you can do, and obviously there is much more to it. So how to create a gem in Gemini. So you want to go ahead and open up Gemini and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, we want to go ahead and click on gems on the left hand side, so it's under my stuff. So click on gems, and then from here we want to go ahead and click on new gem. Then you want to give this gem a name, so you want to go ahead and click accept. You might need to re-sign into your account like so. Then from here we want to go ahead and add instructions. So they've got one of their prompts you can try out, so let's go ahead and try one of these. So I want to help me prepare for a quiz on a given topic by creating sample questions with hints as interactive quizzes. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. Then from here it's going to go ahead and create those steps, and it's going to go ahead and create that gem. And depending what you're asking it to do, it may take a little while. I have noticed, as you can see, it's been probably 20 seconds and we've got this status bar here, so it's probably going to take a couple of minutes to do these steps for me. But yeah, that's how to use gems in Gemini AI to save time, and obviously you can go ahead and save this gem as well.